guys, it's me Kumari Bhavna and welcome to my channel named Kumari Bhavna Medical Mystery. And in this video we are going to discuss about the different heart murmurs that we get in the different corresponding heart diseases. So the heart murmurs that we get in the corresponding diseases are the systolic murmur and the diastolic murmur. So what is the code for systolic murmur? It is MRPV traps. MRP stands for mitral regurgitation or prolapse. V stands for ventricular septal defect. TR stands for tricuspid regurgitation. APS stands for aortic or pulmonary stenosis, and S stands for systolic murmur. So what was the code for systolic murmur? Mr. PV traps. So MRP stands for mitral regurgitation or prolapse. V for ventricular septal defect. TR for tricuspid regurgitation. APS for aortopulmonary stenosis, and S for systolic murmur. So this was the code for systolic murmurs. Now comes the diastolic murmur. The code for this is MS-PAID. And it stands for mitral stenosis, and PI stands for pulmonary or aortic insufficiency, and D is for diastolic murmur. So what is the code for diastolic murmur? MS-PAID. And here we go, revise it. Let's revise it again. It stands for mitral stenosis, and PA stands for pulmonary or aortic insufficiency. D stands for diastolic murmur. That's it. In this video we discuss about the different different murmurs that we get in the corresponding diseases. And if this video was helpful, please like the bell, like the like button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel named Medical Mystery. That's it. Thank you.